So let's pack baby's hospital bag. So I'm just doing a voiceover over this because I was so tired in the video. I think you can barely hear me. It's 36 week at the time of making this video, and I haven't packed baby's hospital bag. By this time in my first pregnancy, everything was all packed and ready. This one, I could not even be bothered. I was just like, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Everyone's like, pack your bag, pack your bag. Anytime now, I'm like, okay, I'll pack it, I'll pack it. So I finally got around to get my bag packed with my big tummy, and I decided to just do a vlog. I couldn't find my mic. I didn't have strength. So yeah, let's get in. So these are all stuffs for baby. One in, one in, one in, one in. I overpack. Yes, I know I do. And yeah, that's just me. So these are baby stuffs. I've already like just laid them out. And these are the stuffs I'm like taking along with me for baby. So I packed 2 bags for my delivery. I pack one for myself, I pack one for baby. Yeah, that's just me. Yeah, some people just go with one, but I pack 2 bags. So here is stuffs for baby. So these are her like nappies. Don't mind that breast pump there. This is the bag I planned to like go with before, but I later like changed my mind. So these are some muslin sheets, blankets is under, some socks, hats. That's Kendall Milk formula. That's her going home outfit. Oh my god, it's so cute. The Kendall Milk formula. Yes, I plan to breastfeed, but you never know. So I just got ready to feed starter kit. Then that's her wipes. That's actually the breast pump. Am I going to the hospital with a breast pump? I don't think so. I don't think so. So these are some short vests. These are some long vests, and these are some sleeping suits. These are some pants. These are this is a sleeping bag, and then a swaddle underneath. Then her nappies, then the ointments for her skin, nappy areas, hairbrush, comb, pacifiers, and every other ointment she needs is at the other end. So these are just it. I put them all in a like Ziploc bag, and then I labeled them up. So in case I'm sleeping or having a rest and someone needs to help me out, they can just like pick up the bag and like just know what exactly and where exactly to find words. So yeah, I properly labeled everything, and it also makes packing easier and helps me not to leave everything messy in the hospital. So these are all her clothes, that's the formula, that's all her like everything is just properly like labeled. You just know where everything is. You don't need to like scatter, oh, where is it. So yeah, that's just why I use the bags. And yeah, that's her going home outfit. I can't wait. I cannot just wait to see her in that outfit. And then these are the ointments. So everything just has its place, and you know how the hospital can be, so you just want to make sure that you have your stuff organized. So you can take this tip away, get a Ziploc bag, put everything, organize it, and label them. Some Ziploc bags do come like with labels for maternity stores, but I just got mine. So yeah, for myself, like I said, I overpack. I know. Calm down. But yeah, I am someone that not having one thing can get disorganized. So I make sure I have everything I need. So I took some black leggings, some maternity gowns, like I think 2 maternity gowns, 3 or 4 black leggings, and then some maternity tops, like 3 or 4. And then I took my pad, a maternity pad, and I unboxed it and put them all in a Ziploc bag. I took these are my disposable knickers. So those disposable knickers, I really love to change very much often, so I think I'll be needing that much. So that's cotton wool for actually cleaning baby. That's not for me, but yeah, I see my bag. So this is my cosmetic bag, my face wash, my body wash, everything is inside my cosmetics bag, and then the other bags are for my stockings and my nipple cream and every other thing. And that's my very, very long cable because you know how hospitals can be, the sockets can be miles away. And this bag, it's for snacks and more snacks. I've not got the snacks yet, but yeah, so that's what's going in the bag. Anything that I just need to put my hand and take. Snacks, maybe chocolates, bars, biscuits, whatever snacks that I can lay my hands on. So up to the next one. Yeah, looks like a tote bag I'm packing. Is not going to the hospital, but I have a toddler. He's going to have to stay with some family friends whenever I go into labor. So if you do, remember to pack their bags too. So I packed his bag too, because he would also need some things when he's over there. I packed his nappies, his wipes, his brush, his toothpaste, his blankets, his towel, some clothes, sleeping suits for him, and everything he will need virtually. And yeah, tada, this actually is going to the hospital with me. And yeah, that's my hospital bag all packed. So I know I overpack, but I'm not carrying these things on my head, right? They are all just going in the car, and then it's just a box I'm going to roll. I rather take everything I need than just get there and begin to run about. So let me know if this video was helpful, if you enjoyed it, and we can wait anytime now. See you on the next one. Thanks for joining me in this journey. I've been making some videos in preparation for my baby, and please do go back to the channel and watch the previous ones, and just smile and share my joy, and drop a comment, drop a like, and take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.